Hello grade 4 student. So today we are going to study the next part of chapter number 3, that is plain, coastal plain, plateau and the desert. So let's see about plain. So student, we are also living on the plain. So flat lands on earth's surface are called plains. So flat land on earth's surface are called plain. They have a gentle slope. They have a gentle slopes. Rivers flowing through the deposit rich alluvial soil and make the plains very fertile. So rivers also falls from the plains, and we are also living on the plain area, and because of the rivers flowing from on the plain area, that's why the plain area they are having a fertile soil, or the plains are very good for the crops. Hence the plains are thickly populated, and that's why all human beings they are living on the plain area, because on the plains rivers are flowing on the plains, and we can take a crop only on plain area, and because plains are a flat surface and they are having only water and the land. So the plains are highly populated. Highly populated means what? Peoples only living on the plain area. For example, the Indo-Gangetic plains of India have been built by the rivers Indus, Ganga and their tributaries. They stretch from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. Now, next is the coastal plain or a coastal plain. A coastal plain is a flat area of land located near a coast. So, coastal plain is also a flat area and it is located near a coast. Okay, means जो people coastal area के side में रहते हैं उसको क्या, उस area को क्या बोलते हैं? Coastal plain or a coastal plain. India has a long coastline. It provides very good seaports. Some of the ports along the east coast of India are Paradip, Visakhapatnam, Puducherry and Chennai. Okay, so we have our country is having very large coastal area, okay, or a coastline. So that's why many seaports are situated on this coastal plain. For example, Paradip, Visakhapatnam, Puducherry and Chennai. These are the seaports. Mumbai and Kochi are important ports along the west coast of India. So our Mumbai is also a seaport, and Kochi, and these are the important ports along the west coast of India. The coastal plain are divided into western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plain. The western coastal plain extended from the Gulf of Kutch in Gujarat to Kanyakumari. The eastern coastal plains existed from the Ganga Brahmaputra delta to Kanyakumari. So this is about the coastal plain. Now see here students. So both the plains meet at Kanyakumari, the southernmost tip of the Indian peninsula. So about peninsula we will study in our next video. The climate in the coastal plains is hot and humid. Rice, sugarcane, oilseeds, coffee, spices, cashew nut and coconut grow well in the region. So student, we are also having very much coastal plain, okay, and we are also living at the coastal plain. That's why we are also taking crops like rice, cashew nut and coconut. So now let's see the plateau. So a flat area of land slightly higher than the land around it, it is called plateau. Plateau means a small hill. In Marathi it is called tekdi or a small hill. A flat area of land and it is a slightly higher than the land. तो वो कैसे land से थोड़ा बड़ा होता है. The Great Plateau of India extends from the south of the northern plains to Kanyakumari. The Great Plateau is divided into Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. So the plateau is extend from the south of the northern plains to Kanyakumari. तो साउथ से नॉर्थ से लेके कन्याकुमारी तक प्लेटू एक्सटेंड हुए हैं. The Great Plateau is divided into two Central Highland and the Deccan Plateau. प्लेट्यू आर रिच इन मिनरल्स, तो प्लेट्यू पे क्या मिलते हैं, मिनरल्स मिलते हैं. सो प्लेट्यूज आर rich in minerals. Now let's see the choose the correct answer. The dash stretch from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. So answer is the Indo-Gangetic stretch from the Punjab in the west to the Assam in the east. Second, a dash is a flat area of land located near a coast. A coastal plain is a flat area of land located near a coast. Third, the Great Plateau is divided into the Central Highlands and the dash. The Great Plateau is divided into the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. So next point is a desert. Desert. So dry places with little rainfall are called desert. So the desert having very dry places and they are having very little rainfall. For example, we have Rajasthan, Gujarat. On the Rajasthan, they are having a desert area. They are large areas of sand with very few plants which require less water or which can store water in their stem. So in the desert they are having a sand. They are only having sand and with a few plants. They are having very few plants, and those plants they need very less water to survive, and they store the water in their stem. Have you seen the desert area? Okay, which animals is living in the desert area? Yes, camel. So camel is called sheep of desert. Desert have extreme temperature. They are having very hot temperature. Deserts having very hot temperature. They can get very hot and dry during summers. In winters, the day are cool and the nights are cooler. So in the summer, the day and night both are very hot, but in the winter, day and night are very cool. And only desert they are having only sand and very few little water and very few plants. So students, there are two types of desert, rocky desert and sandy desert. So desert also, in the desert also they are having two type. First is the rocky desert and second is the sandy deserts. The Sahara Desert in Africa is the largest desert in the world. So which is the largest desert in the world? Sahara Desert in the Africa. From the South Africa, it is the largest desert in the world. So in India we have the Thar Desert in Rajasthan. So in Rajasthan also we have a desert, and that desert name is a Thar Desert. The Atacama Desert in South America, the Kalahari Desert in South Africa, and the Gobi Desert in China are some other example of the desert. So which are the other example of desert? Atacama Desert in South Africa, the Kalahari Desert in Atacama Desert in South America, the Kalahari Desert in South Africa, and the Gobi Desert in China. These are the other examples of desert. So which is the largest desert of the world? Sahara is the largest desert of the world. And which desert is located in Rajasthan, in India? So Thar Desert is in Rajasthan. It is also very famous desert. So student, so remaining point of this chapter, that is islands, peninsula, rivers, okay, that we will study in our next video. So you have to read this topic and complete your homework. Thank you students.